is sick. This is scary as balls. No, look.
It's funneling down.
Look, it is coming down, look. Oh, damn.
Are they downstairs?
Yeah.
Good.
Alright, guys, let's go inside right now.
Not yet.
Not yet.
How long can that thing chase?
We're storm chasing.
Right there.
Where?
See that triangle?
Yeah. Here, give me this. I'll kind of green the ball.
See where it's Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, get inside right now.
There's a tornado. Oh my god.
No, it's fine.
Mom.
It's coming.
It's gonna come down.
Yes. It's gonna take away my parents.
Oh god. Look at that. Oh. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Dude, it's gonna come down. That's sick. Look at this.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Look, it's coming.
At the top. Oh my
Mom,
god.
look, right there.
Oh my god.
That's swirling? Yeah, it's a tornado, Mom. It's swirling.
Look, it's literally swirling. Isn't it great? This is scary as balls.
I'm actually more excited.
I know, so am I.
I like it.
I hope it starts like right after it passes the snow.
Yeah. No, look, it's coming right there. Look, it's all circling.
This right here. Oh, baby.
This is a tornado. It's right above us. Oh, God. How do you zoom out with this?
We're gonna die.
Oh, my God. Look. Oh, my God. Okay, let's get in. No. Not yet. Not till we see it swirl.
We just did.
Over there. There's another floor.
Where? Woo!
The light stuff. That's a big ass thundercloud.
Alright, that's 2 minutes of taping. No, it's not. It's gonna keep going.
That cloud of rain coming this way really quickly. It looks like a smiley face.
No, this is a tornado right here. Look at the swirl. Look at how empty it is over there.
Oh my god.
So fast, dude.
I'm gonna die.
Oh yeah, this is awesome.
Look, this one's like.
Hey, look at the little loner right there.
Look at the loner. Hey, you're trailing behind, maggot. It's like out.
It's like out. No, I'm not late to the party. Are you kidding me? The sirens are late.
You're one of the faggots who come like really early.
It's the fat bitches.
Yeah, no. Oh, I got 3 of them.